I just placed an order for Danielle on the app.
Alright. Pull up to the window, we'll have that up for you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah.
Can you give me a second?
Yeah. Oh, okay, no problem. No, it's okay.
Alright, here you go. Sorry
Thank you.
about that.
That's okay. Thank you. I have never tried this drink before. It's called a spiced. I didn't even know they had it. I was looking on the app and I wanted something warm. You guys, today is like the most beautiful. I don't know. The ambiance of today is just like magical. I'm just loving it. It is fall, but it's not too cold. It's like 60 degrees maybe. It's rainy. It's like kind of foggy-ish. Sitting in my driveway right now. I just got home. But what I was trying to say earlier is today just has like the most amazing fall like ambiance. I don't know, it has like, it's like such a great fall day. It feels very like today should be Halloween. It's just like foggy and like rainy, but the weather is perfect. It's like 60 degrees. The leaves are like, some of them are on the ground now, and like the leaves are changed colors. It's just like perfect. And so it just felt like a day where we needed to go get some Dunkins and get some like warm drinks and some donuts. I've never had this before. I'll let you guys know if it's good. I haven't taken a drink yet, but it's called a spiced vanilla, and I didn't even know they had it until I was looking at the app today. And I wanted something warm, but I didn't want anything with caffeine. So I've had enough coffee today, and if I drink more I will just not sleep at all tonight. So I was thinking like maybe a hot chocolate, but they had this and it was called a spiced vanilla, and that just sounds like so good. So let's see. It's good. I'm trying to like figure out what it tastes like. It's like a steamed milk. It's like a sweet, maybe a tiny bit spiced milk. So there's not a lot of like spice coming through. You are getting like almost like a vanilla frosting flavor, if that makes sense. But it's pretty good. I'm glad I got it instead of the hot chocolate because I didn't really want chocolate anyways. So it's perfect for this day. I'm gonna bring the kids donuts. I got Liel. Have you guys heard of this? I have to show you. So we saw it. This is like, to be honest, this is one of the main reasons I even went to Dunkin's today, is because we saw this advertised. And of course, if you guys know my daughter, she loves spicy food. If you haven't watched the video for eating spicy food, I'll link it and you can go watch it. She loves spicy food. But they have it just smells like a donut. A ghost pepper donut. I'm tempted to try it. Just some of the frosting. Wow. 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 Oh my goodness. It is spicy and sweet and like magical. I don't think I could eat a whole thing, but holy cow. That is so good. Wow. That was crazy though. It's very spicy. If you do not like spicy food, do not even, I mean, it's ghost pepper for sure. Wow, she's gonna love that. I took the tiniest bite too, you guys, if you saw. Holy cow, I can't wait to see her reaction. Lael, I took like the tiniest bite of frosting off your donut. Like you won't even notice it was that small. But it was like a magical, spicy delight in my mouth. You have to come try it. It is like sweet, like sugary and spicy at the same time. It is quite the experience for your mouth. Come try it. We need to clean off all this school stuff. Snap your fingers and clean the table, Levi. Snap it harder. That one worked. How was your donut? Levi has already finished. What kind did you get? Vanilla cream donut? Wow. Wow. I just got a chocolate glazed. Lael's got the spicy.
Oh yeah. It's really good.
Take a tiny bite of just the frosting.
Okay. Oh wow.
That's what I did because I didn't eat any of the donut. The donut probably brings it down, the spiciness down, doesn't it, a little bit? Mm-hmm. It's very good though. Mm-hmm. Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. That was like a long drawn out way of saying hi. We are gonna be doing Halloween bags for a video today. And so originally, okay, no, let me back up. Last Halloween, the kids and I went to a friend's house, and in this friend's community, it was like, all the candy bars and everything that they got, like all the candy they got was giant, like king size or regular sized candies that they got from almost every house. There was a few that just gave like the fun sized ones. They felt like they were like in a fairy tale, awesome.
Okay, there was one. It's like a special edition that's really big, and it was like this big.
Yeah, they got some that were, I might have pictures. If I find some of the pictures we took from that day, like we all look like a mess. Like we were hot and sweaty, and so like I don't think our costumes looked very nice by the end of the night when we took pictures, but I'll show you guys a few. I'll insert them if I can find any. Because that was like so magical, we kind of wanted to do something like better than what we normally do every year for trick-or-treaters. And so I bought like just regular size. I bought one of these instead of, normally I just buy the fun sized ones. But after I saw the reactions, I just had to do it this year. Probably wouldn't do it every year, but this year I'm going to. But then I started to realize like I'm probably not gonna have any trick-or-treaters where we live. There's like, I mean, I would be surprised if people stop here. And we were invited to go to go trick-or-treating with some friends of ours, so we probably won't be home anyways to like hand out candy or whatever. So what we're gonna do instead is make little Halloween gift bags and hand them out to the kids in my kids' classes. And so I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna add, and we're gonna put those together today. Ignore the sounds of Mr. eating over there. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear that. So we just went to Walmart and got some stuff. I kind of asked the kids like, what would you like in a like Halloween gift bag? And Lael's answer was lots of candy.
$50.
And $50. Not happening. So she was of no help to me. Okay, I think actually I'm gonna have to make more, but you know, Halloween's a couple weeks out, so this is what we're gonna start with. We were just counting how many kids are in their class, like are in there's like a few different classes, and we were trying to count how many kids all together, and I think it's what, close to 25 total. I'm rounding, but somewhere in there. So I need to get a few more things, but we can at least assemble these and show you guys what we're gonna do. So I just got these clear bags. I wanted little Halloween ones like this, but I don't know. Everybody is taking lots of the Halloween things, and sadly I don't have a dollar store near me anymore. That was like so close to my last house. It was amazing and I loved it. And now there's like, it's like 30 minutes away or more, the closest dollar store. So we just went to Walmart and they didn't even have any Halloween stickers. Can you guys believe that? I couldn't find a single any. But we did find some Halloween pencils, orange tissue paper. I'll open these up and show you guys. I don't even know how to explain those sticky things. Some glow bracelets, and then obviously our candy bars. And I might even end up buying more things. We're gonna see how full this makes them, and then if we have to get like more, maybe add some fun size candies in here or something. We'll see. But let's assemble these and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I went with the emoji stickers because I couldn't find Halloween ones, and I figured there would be something every kid would like on here. So what I'm gonna do is just cut these in rows. So I'm just gonna cut here and here, and then each kid can get like a row of stickers. Levi, are you gonna help me start assembling?
Yes.
All right, so you take a bag. Lael can help too if she wants to.
Kids are so lucky.
Take one of those,
We're getting delicious pies.
open this up, and then take one piece of this and put it in each one so it...
So wait, explain that again.
Okay. We're gonna put the candy and stuff in there.
Oh. Mom, when you're, can I just like help putting this stuff in?
Yeah.
So I'm bad at this. I'm gonna try to do one more of these, and then I'm gonna try to put stuff in. Good catch, Mom. Try to just like help.
Yeah. Pull your bag up a little higher, Pumpkin, like on the outside. Yeah. Good job. You got it. Good job, buddy.
The hole.
Kai says, I like the noises I hear. The crinkle noises. So what are those though, Levi? They're like sticky hands.
That's what they're called.
But they're also, there's like a bat, a creepy hand, another bat.
There's like,
Scorpion or a spider?
and then there's like a broom.
Is there a broom?
That's the one I'm holding.
I don't think so. That's not what the pictures show. So what we're gonna do is take a bag. So you guys, yeah, why don't you go stand by him?
What? How do you put this?
There should be a hole.
I don't see it.
You
I
can
don't
stuff it
see
down
it.
in.
I don't
Yes.
see the hole.
You'll take one of your stickers,
I got, okay. Just one line. This.
a pencil.
How much pencils?
Just do one.
I like the green ones. Yeah, me too. I'll take this one. It looks like it's nice.
And put your pencil in there. Put a sticky hand in.
I already did that.
And put a candy bar in.
Mom,
Yep. Yeah.
the bags aren't big enough. Somebody's going to enjoy this.
And then
Somebody's going to enjoy this. Yes. Don't use all the butterflies.
here's a glow bracelet, and then just cap
Mom,
one of the ends on it so they can turn it into
did
a
you
bracelet.
already glow it?
No, I didn't. I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, good, because it looks like somebody already did.
There's those, and then I have the caps for them right here. And then maybe we'll add some more fun size candies in a little while. We'll have to get more. But that's a pretty good bag, do you think?
I enjoyed it if I got it, especially the candy. Wait, you can add a cap on it?
Yeah, they're right here. So they can make it a bracelet. Don't twist it, you know, just cap it on it.
It's okay.
All right, now let's just make the rest of them. So there you have it, you guys. We made a whole bunch of bags. Some of them don't have tissue paper, so we might get more tissue paper to add in there. We also might get a couple more candies or something. We'll see. But how do you think your guys' yeah, and the kids are both eating a candy bar because of course they are. How do you guys think your class will like those?
A lot.
A lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So there's a quick and easy act of kindness you can do for, you know, they could give it away for trick-or-treat bags. You could always add in a little card in there. What are some other things that you think would be cool to add in there? Any ideas?
Like gift card. Gift card.
Oh, but would you put a gift card in like 10 bags?
Maybe if you're giving it to us people.
None of these things were expensive. The candy bars were obviously the most expensive thing, and I don't even remember how much that cost me.
$13.
Was it? Levi says it was $13, but everything else I got at Walmart was like 98 cents, I think. Like everything was super cheap. These were cheap, those were cheap. So it was relatively cheap. And then these bags were like $2. Tissue paper, $2. So yeah, it was actually really affordable. I mean, it would add up if you got a lot of those candy bars, but it's worth it to see the kids' faces because they think that it's just like the best. So there you have it, you guys. It's a quick and easy little Thanksgiving, Halloween candy bags, candy ideas for you. If you guys have any good ideas of things that you do for Halloween, what do you hand out in your community, in your neighborhood? I would love to know that. Give me some good ideas for next year. Or even if I make some more of these, because I think I might have to, let me know what I should add in them. What do you do? And, what?
In Jared's neighborhood, there was this person and they put these small little sodas in the back. It was a small soda, but it was actually really good. And
Oh, yeah, I
it was
remember that.
Sprite and it had seasonal flavors too.
Yeah, that's true. Somebody did, and actually I remember that as a kid. That happened one year, and it was a hair salon, but they were giving out candy. And I still remember that to this day because we thought it was amazing, but they had a whole bunch of like 24 packs, and then they were just letting kids come up and pick what kind they want. So that's also a fun idea, like the ones Leal said, they're the Coke Minis. But that is also a really good idea of something that you could add into these bags for Halloween, just to make it an extra special thing. And you'll be the house. You will be the person that the kids will remember. They're gonna be like, that house was amazing. We have to go there every year. Maybe you don't want that. I don't know. But if you do, if you want to be the cool house, this is what you do. So that's all for today. There's a quick little act of kindness for you guys. We hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will subscribe and come back, and together we'll be inspired to spread kindness and make people smile, right, Leo? That's what this channel is all about. So I hope to see you guys next week. Bye, guys.